How to sense your aura, energy explained simply. The universal language of energy. Hello and welcome. Today we embark on a fascinating journey into a topic that has captivated philosophers, mystics, and scientists for millennia: the human aura. We often speak of vibes, or a gut feeling about a person or a place. That feeling is not coincidence. It's an ancient primal form of communication. It is your sensory system, subconsciously or consciously, picking up on the bio-electromagnetic field that surrounds every living thing. We call this field the aura. The concept of a glowing halo or energetic field is found across nearly every major culture. The prana of ancient India, the chai of Chinese medicine, and the halo seen in Renaissance art. These are not separate ideas. They are universal acknowledgement of the invisible energy that defines us. For centuries, sensing this energy was considered an esoteric skill, reserved for a select few. Today, I'm here to demystify it. I'm going to guide you through a complete step-by-step methodology to activate your subtle senses, allowing you to not just believe in your aura, but to physically feel and perceive it. We'll explore the science, the layers of the energy field, and 3 distinct powerful exercises. Our goal is to move you from curiosity to a confirmed, tangible experience. This requires patience, but the rewards, a deeper connection to your own well-being and a new way of perceiving the world, are profound. Let's begin. 2. Theoretical foundation, science and the subtle body. Before we place our hands together, it's crucial to ground this concept in reality. What exactly is this invisible field we are trying to sense? In scientific terms, the human body is a complex bioelectric machine. Every muscle contraction, every nerve impulse, every thought creates a corresponding electrical and magnetic field. These fields merge to form a larger, coherent, and highly unique biofield. In the 1930s, Russian scientist Semyon Kirlian developed what is now known as Kirlian photography. This method captures the electrical discharge corona around objects placed on a photographic plate. While controversial in its interpretation, these images clearly show that energy radiates beyond the physical boundary of the skin. This provides a scientific basis for the idea of a radiating energy field. From the energetic perspective, your aura is much more than just a weak magnetic field. It acts as an antenna, a two-way communication system. It constantly transmits your internal state, your thoughts, emotions, health, and stress levels. Simultaneously, it receives and filters information from the environment and other people's fields. Understanding this dual function is key. When your aura is strong and balanced, you feel protected and centered. When it's weak or fragmented, you might feel anxious, easily drained, or overwhelmed by your surroundings. The exercises we are about to do will help you map and strengthen this vital energy shield. 3. The 7 layers of the aura. A simple breakdown. While the aura is often described as one large bubble, it is typically divided into 7 distinct layers or bodies. For our exercises, we will focus primarily on the first 2, the ones closest to the physical body. The first layer, known as the etheric body, is the easiest to feel. It sits just an inch or 2 away from the skin. This layer is an exact energetic duplicate of your physical body and is responsible for your physical well-being. When you feel a tingle or heat, you are making contact with your etheric body. The second layer, the emotional body, extends further out, from about 1 to 3 feet. This layer stores and processes all your feelings, both conscious and unconscious. This is why our feelings change the quality of the energy we sense. A strong emotion literally pushes the energy of this layer outward. The remaining 5 layers relate to mental patterns, spiritual beliefs, and connection to universal energy. By successfully sensing the first 2 layers, you gain a foundational skill that can eventually be extended to sense the deeper layers and even the energy of other people. This is a journey of increasing subtlety. 4. Preparation, setting the stage for sensing. Sensing subtle energy requires a relaxed body and a focused mind. Do not attempt this when you are stressed or rushing. Find a quiet space. Ensure you won't be interrupted. Turn off notifications and dim the lights slightly. Ground yourself. Close your eyes for a moment. Take 3 slow, deep breaths. Imagine your body as a tree, sending deep roots down into the earth. This anchors your energy and makes it easier to feel. Activate your hands. Your palms are highly sensitive, energetic centers. Wiggle your fingers, stretch your hands, and shake them out. We are priming the area that will be doing the initial sensing. Now let's begin with the cornerstone practice. 5. Exercise 1. The energy ball, sensing the etheric field. This is the most reliable method for confirming the existence of your own energy field. Step 1. Intense activation, 30 seconds. Vigorously rub your palms together. Don't be gentle. Generate friction, heat, and a buzzing sensation. We are intentionally stimulating the energy in your hand centers. Sound of hands rubbing for a few seconds. Step 2. Slow separation. Stop rubbing and slowly pull your hands apart until they are about 10 to 12 inches apart. Keep your palms perfectly facing each other. Step 3. The focus and movement. Now focus your attention entirely on the air between your hands. Slowly, deliberately start moving your hands toward each other, stopping just before they touch, and then pulling them back out to 12 inches. Repeat this gentle oscillating motion. Step 4. Interpretation. What do you feel? You are looking for a shift in the air's texture. Is it a dense, jelly-like resistance? A prickly champagne bubble tingling? Is it a magnetic pushing sensation? Or is one hand pulling towards the other? That resistance, that pressure, is your etheric energy interacting with itself. Keep trying. If you feel nothing, rub your hands again for another 15 seconds and try a different distance. You may find the feeling is strongest at only 4 inches, or maybe at 15 inches. This is your body telling you the current extent of your etheric layer. 6. Exercise 2. The perimeter sweep, mapping the emotional field. Now that you've confirmed your energy exists between your hands, let's map its outer boundary, which primarily involves your emotional body. Step 1. The sweep. Stand up and ensure you have at least 3 feet of space around you. Raise your right arm out to your side, palm facing your hip. Step 2. The slow approach. Slowly, painstakingly slowly, begin moving your hand inward toward your torso. Remember the rule, do not touch your physical body. Step 3. Finding the boundary. Focus your awareness not on your eyesight, but on the sensations in your palm. As your hand approaches, maybe 8 to 18 inches away, you will likely feel a subtle shift. It might feel like a warm wall, a slight density, or a change in the air pressure, as if you are disturbing a layer of thickened water. This is the boundary where your personal energy field meets the outside world. It is a critical layer because it acts as a buffer against external stress and unwanted energy. Step 4. Observation. Once you find the feeling, move your hand a couple of inches back and forth across that boundary point. Notice the distance. This is the current size of your active emotional aura. A large distance often suggests an open, expansive emotional state, while a distance closer to the body can mean you are guarded or highly focused. 7. Exercise 3. Emotional resonance, connecting feeling to texture. The final exercise connects your internal state directly to the energy you are sensing. Step 1. The anchor. Sit down comfortably, close your eyes and return to the energy ball exercise. Find the feeling, that gentle buzz or resistance between your palms, and hold it steady. Step 2. Emotional charge. Now, without breaking your focus on the feeling, recall a memory that brings you intense joy, love, or gratitude. Focus on a moment where you felt deeply connected and happy. Allow that feeling to fully permeate your body. Step 3. Observe the change. As the positive emotion floods your system, observe your hands. Does the energy ball feel lighter, more expansive, or smoother? Does it feel like the energy has swelled, pushing your hands slightly further apart? Step 4. The contrast. Now quickly switch your thought to a feeling of mild frustration or anxiety, a small familiar stress. Hold that thought and observe the energy ball again. Does it feel contracted, heavier, or perhaps jittery and sharp? This direct, tangible experience proves that your energy field is not static. It is a dynamic reflection of your inner landscape. Positive emotion leads to a clear, expansive aura, while stress causes contraction and fragmentation. 8. Troubleshooting and sustained practice. If you didn't feel a definite sensation right away, do not be discouraged. Sensing the aura is like learning an instrument. It requires dedicated practice. Common troubleshooting: I feel nothing. This often means you are moving too quickly or expecting too much. Slowing down is the key. Try doing the exercises with your eyes closed to amplify your internal senses. I feel muscle strain. You are pressing too hard. The feeling is extremely subtle, not physical force. Relax your shoulders and wrists. My hands are sweating. Stop, shake out your hands and start over. Excess moisture can interfere with the subtle electrical sensations. Sustaining your practice. Commit to practicing the energy ball exercise for just 3 minutes every day. Consistency is far more important than duration. Over weeks, your sensitivity will increase dramatically. By becoming a conscious participant in your own energy field, you gain an invaluable tool for self-awareness, emotional regulation, and self-protection. You are not just a physical body, you are a vibrant, radiating field of life. I encourage you to continue this exploration. Follow me and thank you for joining me on this journey into the subtle self.